Made from versus made of. Let's take a look with this photo. We have two sentences here, and we are going to decide if what is the sentence that best describes the photo. Number one, the table is made from wood. Two, the table is made of wood. Alin ang tamang sagot? It's number two. Tandaan, ginagamit natin ang made of kung nakikita pa natin ang original material sa finished product. Halimbawa na lang ng nasa picture. Sa picture na ito, nakikita pa natin yung original material na ginamit sa paggawa ng table, which is the wood. Now, ginagamit naman natin ang made from kung hindi na nakikita ang original material or raw material sa finished product. Halimbawa, papel. Kung titignan mo ang papel na ito, hindi na natin nakikita yung ginamit na raw material dito, which is the wood. So the sentence is, the paper is made from wood. So I hope that you learned something new for today. This is Teacher Nikki Kim, ang inyong maarting English teacher. Thank you!